This is so lovely, though. Fire in the hole! Sorry about that, though. It was just my father. Probably like a seizure warning. Bro, this looks more like gun shooting. You know what? This is taking to play a game. Okay, like, anyways, like, Happy New Year, you guys. It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure, like, meeting you guys on YouTube, making friends and all. So, like, thank you all for, like, the support since 2023. Like, thank you.
Se ve más mejor aquí. ¿Ah? ¿Sí? Okay, niños, you guys stay here, okay?
Like a bonfire.
Okay. Ya terminó ahí.
Oops.
Okay, quédate ahí, me
Okay. Wait, I'm literally recording. My father did not say my real name. I might have to censor that then. Oh no, I hear that. That means like there's like a fire somewhere. Oh. So oh my. Wait, so like I heard like sirens. Is there gonna be like is there like a fire nearby or something? Because the last time we did this, like there was literally like a bonfire like the next day or something. Woo! Happy New Year!
Isn't that Saturn?
It probably was. They mostly do it here. For the most part of it. It's still like gonna be more, isn't there? Oh, yeah, there is. They just take some time to release them into the air. I'm so grateful for this new year. Like, all the calendars have to change. Boom. Woo!
Whoa, I love that type of firework.
Yo no creo que se van a quemar los carros. There's mostly some over here. Oh well.
Imagine they had a fireworks games. That's ridiculous.
Anyways, Happy New Year.